Hey there! Ever felt like you're swimming in a never-ending sea of video editing tools, trying to find the perfect one? Well, stick around, cause I've got the lowdown on 2 super cool features from CapCut that'll, honestly, change your content game. Trust me, you're gonna love this. So, first things first, let's chat a bit about CapCut. You know, it isn't just some random app you stumble upon and forget. It's like this evolving beast of a platform that's genuinely changing how creators, like you and me, craft our stuff. And today, we're diving deep into its text-to-speech and auto-captioning magic. Alright, kicking things off with our first superstar, text-to-speech. So, picture this, you've written this killer script, and you kinda don't want to use your own voice, or maybe you're just feeling a different vibe for your video. Boom! Enter CapCut's text-to-speech. It'll turn that script into, like, a super smooth narration. Now, hopping over to the second gem, the Auto-Caption tool. So, imagine you're in a cafe, right? And there's this super interesting video playing, but, man, it's noisy. That's where this tool shines. It's like your video's personal translator, making sure everyone, and I mean everyone, gets what you're saying. Okay, let's talk languages. You know how we all love a bit of international flair? Well, CapCut's got our backs. Whether you're vibing in Spanish, rocking out in Korean, or daydreaming in French, CapCut's, trying to make sure it's got something for everyone. Now, on to the fun part, customization. So, with text-to-speech, it's not just about picking any voice. Like, maybe today, you're feeling a bit jazzy and want something slow and sultry. Or tomorrow, you want something upbeat. And, hey, with auto-caption, if you're feeling blue or red or unicorn rainbow for your caption colors, go for it. Make it yours. But, quick reality check. While CapCut's trying its best, sometimes things get, a bit lost in translation. Some background tunes, or maybe a thick accent, can throw it off a bit. It's cool, though, it's all part of the process. So, here's the kicker. These features? They're not just isolated superheroes. They're part of this big, happy CapCut family. Once you've jazzed up your content with voiceovers or captions, you can just slide right into other edits or, sprinkle some effects here and there. Now, here's a thing that really warms my heart. Beyond just the techie stuff, we're talking real impact here. With features like auto-captioning, we're making the digital world a bit friendlier for our deaf and hard-of-hearing buddies. It's, like a digital group hug. And, hey, a quick heads up. The digital realm? It's always on the move. So, you might want to keep an eye on CapCut's updates. Just to stay in the loop. Before we hit the road, a few cool things to note. Text-to-speech? Yeah, it's like a mini United Nations, supporting a ton of languages. And auto-captioning? It's like that genius friend we all have, understanding content in, over 100 languages. Oh, and did I mention? All of this awesomeness is basically free. To wrap it all up, if you're out there looking to jazz up your content, CapCut's text-to-speech and auto-captioning are, honestly, your go-to buddies. Try 'em out, play around, and let your creativity soar. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this chat kinda useful, hit that like, maybe share, and, subscribe if you're feeling it. Catch you in the next one.